Using Pico-Timecode version 3.2. PT-Thrifty now supports using I2C 14 and 7 segment displays to build a cheap Digi-Slate. This one is made from an RP2040 Pico board, PT-Thrifty interface board, and two 14 segment EC buying displays and a couple of switches. I've placed a battery holder, but the RP2040 doesn't support charging. I can charge the battery in a separate charger, but just need to be careful that the battery isn't connected at the same time as USB-C. The operation is the same as a normal PT-Thrifty. A single button is used to select the frame rate and trigger jamming. The RGB LED shows the different modes. When the clapper is open, it shows the current FPS and then the timecode count. When the clapper is closed, it briefly freezes the display, then shows the user bits. The connections for the I2C modules and switches are listed at the top of the script, and the modules are enabled in the libs config file. There's also a button for tail slating. This is the reason why the hour-minute display is mounted upside down. So with this, you can equip a multi-cam timecode solution for under $100. Today I'm dog fooding a budget session using a T3i camera with Magic Lantern, which has a PT-Thrifty on a USB power bank similar to this, and for audio I'm using a Tascam DR44WR, although you have to use Mixdown to get a combined audio timecode file. That's it. Find us on GitHub and follow us on Instagram.